In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a multiple Gmail accounts without phone verification. Very easy guys, very simple. In this example over here, first thing I want to mention is that every new Gmail account that you currently log in can create up to 5 new Gmails without asking Google to verify you with the SMS or phone number, right? So the thing that I want to share with you is a pro tip. All we want to do is to go ahead, click on the lower right corner on the three dots. Then I want you to scroll down to the clear browsing data. I want you to click on clear browsing data, and this way you will unlink all the information currently linked to your account, as the search queries, account creation, everything related to your account and previous history. Okay, this is very important because this will simply remove all the trackings. After you clear your browsing history, you will be able to log out and create a brand new Gmail account without the need of phone verification. Usually you're able to do it up to 5 new accounts, and then the 6th one you will be required to provide phone verification. So what you're gonna do is you will create 5 new accounts, and then you're gonna log into your first account, and then you're going to create a brand new 5 accounts. But before that, you're going to clear your browsing data again. So create 5 new accounts, clear your browsing data, log into the first account, create new 5 accounts, clear your browsing data, and then log into the second account. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.